Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen. Today we have a Saeco Xelsis with us in the shop, and it came in for warranty repairs relating to a brew valve that is pretty deep inside the machine. What was happening is that originally we did a tune-up on this machine, but the valve that the inlet valve goes into inside of the machine when it's pushed in, that part of the machine had snapped in half. It's a plastic valve, and the top half of it had broken in half, resulting in a quite a bit water leak going into the drip tray, since all the leak is happening on the water hydraulic side of the machine on the right side, where the brew unit's at. So we're getting a lot of water pushing down into the drip tray, and you're seeing a lot of shorter shots and mostly all the water over a period of time, as in just like letting the machine sit, or brewing shots, you would see a lot of it divert to the bottom. That part's a really hard part to replace, so you have to go quite inside the machine to replace it, but that's what we ended up doing here. And also we just made sure that we were getting more closer to the 1.4 ounces that we have set here. Now we're still not close, or we're still close to 1.4 ounces. We're usually on average, I brewed quite a few shots with different coffees. On average, you're going to get about 1.2 ounces. There is still some issues with the hydraulic system in relation to the solenoid valves, which are on top of the machine. We weren't able to resolve those today. However, that is still, there's a small leak. You're going to notice it inside of here. There is a small leak that kind of drips water due to just the solenoids being old. It's still going to brew, an average coffee. It's much better than how it was before, but you are going to lose an accuracy of a little bit, and we're going to kind of show that here by brewing a shot. I'm using a test coffee, but you're going to notice two things. You're going to notice one of these upper spouts, which is usually dedicated for the steaming. Those might leak. As you can see, it leaks clear water. Very little bit. Just depends on the solenoids and if they're sealing or not. It's very random how much actually comes out. But for the most part, again, you're on average, you're going to get about 1 ounce to 1.2 ounces of coffee every time you brew. So that's about 1.2 ounces, just with how it's above the line. Again, on average, you're going to get that much amount of coffee. Sometimes you get the full 1.4, sometimes you get closer to 1. But it's pretty consistent if I were to do it again. And you can see that clear water leak here. So this was more closer to the 1.4, as you can see, much higher. So yeah, it kind of varies depending on how much this spout leaks, or how much that the machine just allows to go through. But for the most part, it's pretty accurate. It's just slightly off per shot. As you can see, there is still that leak here because there is water inside of the thermal block. If you were to take this out, you could kind of see it, which side it's coming from. This solenoid, the hose, is actually the first solenoid on the, technically the last solenoid on the assembly. And so it's just, either the seal inside of that solenoid is just failing, or I tried cleaning it out by descaling it. There was a lot of scale inside of those solenoid valves, but I did clean it out, but still, it's still, leaking slightly. It's much less than before. However, that is just, part of the, you would most likely have to replace that whole solenoid block to get that issue resolved. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.